Main advantages of peer-to-peer arbitrage. Welcome guys, my name is Pedro and I'm an expert of the online school Manifest. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the main advantages of peer-to-peer arbitrage, which is a strategy that allows us to make money in crypto with almost no risk. Absolutely zero. That's one of the advantages, but we'll talk about it today. For those who don't know exactly what is this peer-to-peer arbitrage? Peer-to-peer arbitrage is one of the best ways to make money on crypto. As simple as that. We use the difference in prices on the peer-to-peer market to take advantage of it and make a profit. Now, if you don't know exactly how it works, let me show it to you. The peer-to-peer market is a market where people agree to buy and sell cryptocurrencies from each other for a specific price. Now, this market doesn't have an intermediary. It's not like when you go into an exchange like Binance and you buy directly, in the free market, let's say. Here, there's a person who's selling a specific amount of crypto for a specific price. Here we are in the peer-to-peer section of Binance where they offer some help for peer-to-peer, and we can see that there's some people with some advertisements who are willing to buy your USDT in this case, which is the equivalent of the digital dollar, for 17.78 rands. Now, this means this person is willing to buy a specific amount between 800 rands and 26,000 for this price. Again, now there's no intermediaries. It's you and that person reaching a deal. Obviously, still, there is an intermediary, which is Binance, who's going to help us make sure that everything is safe. We don't want to have any troubles, and here is completely safe. Everything is completely perfect. Now, in this market, the good thing is that we have advertisements for buying and advertisements for selling, for people who want to sell and for people who want to buy cryptocurrencies. Now, what is the real good thing? Well, that the prices tend to have differences. Why? Sometimes because of the payment methods. Some people gonna have some payment method like bank transfer, others have some specific banks, and this makes that some payment methods and payment options have different prices. Other times, just because of regional options, there's differences in the prices. And we can take advantage of these prices. How? Well, let's take an example. Right now, if we want to sell our cryptocurrencies, let's say we have an advertisement here who's willing to buy the USDT for 17.80 rand per dollar or per USDT. If we go to the dollar rand price right now, we can see that it's 17.51, which means that here is more expensive. So we can sell it more expensive than we can get it. Now, if we make the numbers, we can see 17.80 divided by 17.50, there is around 1.7% arbitrage. Normally, this arbitrage goes between 1.7, 1.5, all the way to 3.5 for 5 even in the best cases. Now, what does this mean? This means, guys, that if we buy 100 rands, just to put an example, of cryptocurrencies, and then we sell them at 1.7 more expensive, we multiply by 1.017, which is how much we're making. In just one moment, we will earn 1.7 rands. Now, this may sound like few, right? We are making only 2.5%. It's not a lot. In a normal trade, when you buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you can make much more. But there is a couple of important things, and that's what we're gonna see now. What are the main advantages of this method? Why would you do this peer-to-peer arbitrage? Obviously, you can make money without risk, but why? Well, first of all, you can start growing your money from a small capital. In the peer-to-peer market, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to make a profit. At the end of the day, if you're trading, if you want to make good money, you need some big amount of money. You're going to be making 20, 30% maximum, say in a month. Well, you will need a lot of money. In peer-to-peer arbitrage, you don't have to. You can start from a small capital. Why? Well, because we can apply compound interest. This means that we can do a transaction and it's almost instantly. We can agree with that person, we send the money, we receive the funds. How long is it going to take that? 5, 10 minutes? And then we can do it again. But now, if we already earn a percentage, we make it with a bit more money. Then with a bit more money. Then with a bit more money. Let me show you again. If we start with 100 rands and we make, let's say, 0.2%, 2.5, just to put an example, which is the average, after one trade, we have 102. Now, on the second trade, we do it again. Now we have 105. Again, 107. Again, 110. 13, 15, 18, 21, 24, 28, 31, 34, 37, and every time it grows faster and faster and faster. This is compound interest. You can see when we get in 200, we are already making much more than before. If we continue, we can grow, well, all the way to the sky. If we start with 1,000, just so you see how fast it grows, well, we can see that if we make only 2.5% per trade, we can still be going 50 and 50 and 50. We're already 1,300, 1,400, 1,700, 1,800, already 2,000. We grow and grow and grow very fast. Now, as I was saying, we can do this multiple times a day without waiting for a setup. This is not trading. We don't have to wait until the right moment. We do it, and in 10 minutes, we can do another one. This means we can do 6 in an hour. This means we can do, well, I don't know, 40 in a day. So this is the only method that allows you to make at least 400 or 1,000% in a month with no risk. Because you continue doing it and it grows, and you grow your capital all the way to the sky. I can tell you by experience. I have been doing this for a long time and it makes very good money. My students have been making over 30,000, 50,000, 80,000 rands every single month with this method. It allowed them to go from a small deposit all the way to what they were looking to achieve, to their dream car, their dream house, well, their dream vacations, those type of things. Why? Because of this compound interest, because it's something that you can grow as much as you want. Now, there is something very important. Two main things. First, there is no price risks. The price doesn't move. It just doesn't move. It's completely safe. So you don't have to worry about that. As simple as that. No possibility of losing. Does it sound good? And the last one, anyone can do it. There's nothing special, no special knowledge that you need. You just need to know how to do it, but everyone can do it if they have the right knowledge, the right teacher, the right mentor. As long as you know how to, well, click in buttons, you will be able to do it. You don't need to know about math, you don't need to know about finance, nothing of that. So it's absolutely perfect. Now, with all of that said, guys, I am inviting you right now to our online training that we will have in Tuesday, where we are going to be talking about all of this. I recommend you to join us. You will have the link in the place where you receive this video, and you will be able to join us and learn everything about peer-to-peer arbitrage and how you can use it to make money. Now, with all of that said, I will see you inside. Bye.